How to make a Telegram account without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can make a Telegram account without number. Now if you open up Telegram application, tap on start messaging and it'll ask you to enter in your country code and such, as you can see there on the screen. Now unfortunately, the Telegram uses your phone number to verify the user and register an account or log into the account. So you want to be able to make a Telegram account without phone number to get things straight. What you can do if you don't have a number, or if you don't want to use your own number, is you can use a virtual number. You can head into your browser on your device and you can search in for virtual number for OTP. You'll get these links here. You can head into these links and get a virtual number for free as well, and there are paid ones as well. So you can get them and you can use it to log in here. You want to enter in the virtual number here, tap on next, and you'll get the code online on the particular website that you used, and you'll be able to create an account and log in. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.